Hey yo, I'm back today with another beat. I'm going to be making Vincent trap beat today. I'm back in our nation record. As you can see, I'm back. I'm going to be making a beat. It's me, your teacher. I teach you how to make beat, trap beat. Just subscribe and let's start to making Vincent trap beat. After this, I'm going to produce a track. I rap in my dialect. I'm your favorite countryman. So after making my Vincent trap beat, I'm going to rap on the beat. I am our English rapper. I rap in my dialects only. I speak English more than you, but I rap in my dialect. So let's get started producing the trap beat called Vincent trap beat. I'm going to show you how to launch your FL Studio. When you launch your FL Studio, right click and just press open. As you can see, I've already launched my FL Studio. So I'll just click here and enter my FL Studio app. And this is my channel rack. This is my channel rack here. And this is my playlist. This is my mixer. The next step is I'm going to click on add and pick this plugin called FL keys. After picking the FL keys, I'm going to put my cursor here. Left click and hold it. Turn the mouse wheel to channel 5. Put my cursor on my FL keys. Right click and press piano roll. I'll start to produce my Vincent trap beat. As you can see, I've produced my first to 4 bars pattern. I'm going to click here on select, highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and A to highlight it. But I've already highlighted, so I'm going to press Ctrl and B to reach this bar number 8, and that's okay. I'm going to pick another plugin again to make it a 2 melody loops. I'm going to click on add, click on my boo bars. On this empty space, I will put my cursor on this empty space, left click and hold it, turn the mouse wheels to channel 6. After doing so, I'll put my cursor on my boo bars here, right click and press piano roll. I'll start to program my second melody. This is my second melody like this. I'm really following the steps. Don't put your beat anyhow. Make sure you follow the steps. Align your beat carefully. That's how I'm going to produce my second beat. That's it. That's it. Good. That's it. I'm producing my. That's it. Good. Now let's go now to our hi-hat now and program our hi-hat. On channel 3, I will right click, then click on piano roll on my mouse. Make sure you follow my steps, and the best teacher will teach you how to make your trap beat, modern trap beats. My beat are modern trap beats. My beat is no anywhere else. You can't see it. You can't see my beat structure anywhere. Only if you follow my YouTube channel and subscribe. So let's program the hi-hat. I'll just program the first pattern. I'll program the first pattern. Then I'll just like click here on select, highlight it. But you can say highlight it another way by press Ctrl and A then press Ctrl and B on your keyboard several times. That is many times to reach this bar number 8, and that's okay. The next step is on your snare on channel 4. I will right click, then click on piano roll. I will start to program my snare now. Yes. At point 1, at the starting of channel 1, I'll put my snare here. At the ending of each bar, I'm putting my snare. At the ending of each bar, I'm putting my snare. That's it. At the ending of each bar, I'm putting my snare like this. That's it. At the end of each bar, I'm putting my snare. That's it. Good. Voila. I've already finished with my snare. When creating a beat, you can follow my steps and create your snare. So, I've already finished programming my snare. I'm going to start programming my kick now. This is how my kick sound at the top left corner of my FL Studio. So I'm just going to left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1 on my channel rack. Then the next step is I'll put my cursor here, right here, where it's shaking, right here. I will right click, then click on piano roll, and that's okay. It's me, your best teacher, Beto G. I teach you how to make beats, modern trap beat. My beats are modern. I have confidence that it's modern. You can't see anywhere. Until you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell below and watch my teachings. So let's go. Let's continue. I'll start programming my kick now. So I'll put my kick here. Make sure you use the rows and columns. Use the rows and columns. At 1 to 2, I'm putting my 1 kick here. Then at 2 to 3, I can just put the 2 like this. Make sure you follow along like this. At 5 to 6, I'm putting 1 here, putting 2 here, and then put like this. At 6 to 7, I'm putting it like this. 7 to 8, like this. At 8 to 9, like this. Make sure you follow along. Don't forget, it's me. Then after doing so, I'll click on my kick, click on this bow knob, turn the bow knob right up. Good. Now let's go to the mixing. At 5 and 6, let's go to our channel. 5 and 6. 5, I'm going to click here on slot 1 and add a Fruity parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'll just click and add a Fruity limiter. On slot 3, these are the basic ways to mix your beat. So just follow the basic steps and mix your beat. These are the basics, and it's very easy for new beginners. You can go along and mix your beat very easy, not complicated, straightforward. So let's go. Slot 3, I'll click on slot 3, add a Fruity soft clipper. On slot 4, I'll click and add a Fruity reverb 2 and turn the mix to mix level 1. Okay, to 6, the second melody. I'll click on slot 1 like this and add a Fruity parametric EQ2. To slot 2, I'll click on slot 2 and add a Fruity limiter. To slot 3, and I'll click on add a Fruity compressor. To slot 4, I'll click and add a Fruity multiband compressor, and that's okay. Make sure you follow along. Don't forget to follow along and subscribe. Now, I'm going to turn down the melodies, the 2 melodies. Click here to swap left and right. When you put your cursor, they say swap left and right channel. Just click each channel. Click. Go along and click. Don't be afraid. Just click, click, and then reverse the polarity like this. When you put your cursor, they say reverse the polarity. Just click. Anywhere you put your cursor, they say reverse polarities. Click. Yeah, just click like that and finish. That's okay. Now, when you put your cursor here, make sure you see where my cursor is. This finger that is touching this place called view playlist. Click like this. Then when you have written part 1, put your cursor like this, right click, then click on split by channel. When you click by split by channel, as you can see, everything we have programmed today has appeared on the top left corner of our FL Studio. The kick, the hi-hat, the snare, the keys, the bull bar. So make sure you make sure you use the tools up here. So just click on draw, then click on kick, click back into your playlist, click on the hi-hat like this, click on the hi-hat, then click back into your playlist, click on the snare, click back to your playlist, click on the first melody, Click back into your playlist, click on the last melody, your last melody like this, and click back into your playlist. After doing so, you click on select, then highlight it. You can still press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and B several times to make your beat longer. So I'm extending my beat now. I'm arranging my beat into my playlist. I'm going to remove the kick, remove the hi-hat, remove the snare. Then click on select, highlight it again, which you can press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and B on your keyboard. I'm extending my beat up to 79. Make sure you read the numbers on the screen. 79. So I'll click on my keys like this. Click on my outro. Click on my bull bars. Click on my outro. I'm going to remove the hi-hat, remove the snare to create a different bound. Go back to my mixer on 3 and 4. I will right click. Then click on create automation clip on channel 5. I will right click. Then click on create automation clip. This function is to control the volume of the beat automatically. That's it. Now let's listen to the beat. Let's listen to the beat from the start to the end, which is the Vincent trap beat. It's a country trap beat. It's a country. It's the name of a country, Vincent trap beat. Now let's go. Thank you for watching how to make Vincent trap beat. I promise you this beat is good. I'm going to use this beat to create a track and follow our village rapper on Spotify, Beto G. I'll rap my dialect. I'm going to use this beat. I promise. I'm going to create a hit song with this beat. So thank you for watching. See you tomorrow in another video. Goodbye.